Smith.
And I'm Mackenzie Smith.
And we're from Strawberry Cattle Company in North Alabama. And today we're going to be making a delicious tailgate treat. Slow-cooked brisket and white sauce.
First, we're going to put our dry rub on our brisket. And we have everything in our dry rub except for our chili powder. The things we have in here are paprika, garlic salt, ground mustard, garlic powder, black pepper, and sugar. So we'll just need to add in our final tablespoon of chili powder, and then we'll be ready to put it on our meat. Okay. While he's rubbing it, I'm going to put the base in our crock pot. Your base is 1 can of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce,
Or as we say around here, Worcestershire.
and finally, in your base, you need 2 to 3 bay leaves. Make sure you take this out when you're done because you don't want to eat fleas.
They're gross.
Alright, there's our base.
Now we're going to take our brisket and put it in our crock pot. And let it sit on low for 8 to 10 hours.
Okay, since we've made our brisket, we need to make our white sauce. The ingredients in our white sauce are mayonnaise, salt, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, horseradish, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. That looks good. There's our finished white sauce. Now let's look at our finished brisket. Don't forget to take out the bay leaves when you do this. That looks really good.
Now we're going to show you how tender our brisket is with the fork test. It splits right apart. Whether you say roll tide or like us, war eagle, be sure to try this great tailgate recipe. Come on over, guys. It's delicious.
Remember, beef, it's what's for dinner.